Hello to all my love and light beings, welcome back to my station. For those of you who are new, my name is Shawn Ivan D. If you'd like to join the Secret Sacred Shadow Spirit Society, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe below. I have a couple videos that I'm going to do today. The first one will start off with our Sephora play. Just got this in the mail the other day, so I'm really excited about that. Let's go ahead and open it up. Love, tips, tricks, and beauty hacks, sephora.com/play. And then we've got our little 50 points there. I should have brought that with me today. I forgot all about it because I actually went and I got me this Glam Glow. It's a lip plumper. It's in the shade Clear Gloss Transparent. It comes in this silver tube. You twist it and it pops out. I thought that was ingenious. So kind of has like a mint flavor. And you just push it back on, twist it back down. That is awesome. I love that little star there. So that's pretty cool. It's like my second lip plumper. Let's go ahead and check out the Sephora play. Let's see what we got in here. There's a list of all the products. The bag this month says, make it snappy. It's got this nice green ribbon. Let's go ahead and reach in and pull out the first product. Dr. Dennis Gross fights wrinkles while you sleep. Ferulic and Retinol Wrinkle Recovery Peel. Let's see what's in there. Okay, so it's just a, oh, there's two of them. Awesome. 2 little packs of that. Let me find it on here, see what it says. This facial peel, conveniently packaged as a wipe, contains a blend of antioxidants, acids, and retinol to protect and hydrate. It delivers brighter, firmer, more radiant skin even after just one use. Awesome. I'm always looking for great facial products. I think that's what I've been into lately, is eye creams and skincare. So the next thing is from Urban Decay. It says Hi-Fi Shine Ultra Cushion Lip Gloss. Wow. Let's go ahead and open this up. I'm actually using my little bookmark. It's real thick. It says, Faith sees the invisible, believes the incredible, and receives the impossible. So it shows there's a bunch of different shades here. And that's awesome because the one they have circled is the one that it's with, and it's SPL. That's what it looks like. Bright pink shimmery. Shiny cushiony color. This is the holy grail of glosses. Our ultra shiny formula glides on cushiony soft and provides long-lasting wear that's comfortable, not tacky, laced with vitamin E and peppermint oil. Our hydrating formula nourishes, has a plumping effect, and comes in a yummy vanilla mint flavor. Awesome. So that's really cool. It's called Sudden Sparkle. This ultra sparkly, cushiony soft lip gloss is full of vitamin E and peppermint oil for lips that stay moisturized and look perfectly plump, plus a tingly formula, smells like vanilla mint. Okay, so that's that. Sweet. It's actually a shade that I probably would have gone for. So the next thing I have in here is Elizabeth and James Nirvana Vanilla Bourbon. It's a cologne or a perfume. A fragrance created by Ashley Olsen and Mary Kate Olsen. Let me see. It actually smells like vanilla bourbon. Not that I know what bourbon smells like, but it has a vanilla scent to it. Ooh, my mom would probably like that, so that'll be awesome for her. Vanilla bourbon. It says, Ashley Olsen and Mary-Kate Olsen created their signature Nirvana collection to represent the duality of their brand's namesake as well as their own partnership. Each fragrance adds a modern twist to classic notes to form a unique sense of new nostalgia. Meet the blend. Fragrance family warm and spicy. Top notes vanilla bourbon. Middle notes tuberose. And base notes oakwood. It's not too overpowering and it's not too florally, so that's pretty awesome. It does have a strong vanilla scent to it. So the next thing we have is by Purity Made Simple Moisturizer. It says, this innovative skin tint lies in the beautiful middle ground between BB cream and foundation. It blurs imperfection, moisturizes skin, contains SPF 25, and provides just enough tint for sheer to medium coverage. And it doesn't have a shade. I actually think I might have one of these. I'm not too sure. It doesn't have a color really. It smells really good, nice and clean and fresh. So that's awesome. Ultralight moisturizer with vitamins. Cool. So that's our fourth product. And we've got two more in here. This one is by Makeup Forever Ultra HD. Oh, I'm sorry, I just read the wrong one. This is what I was reading. The Philosophy is lightweight lotion, features a blend of meadow foam seed, chai seed, and olive oil to smooth the skin's texture. Plus, its formula is packed with antioxidants and vitamin C, E, and B5 to protect, hydrate, and soothe the skin. This is the one that I had read just earlier. Innovative skin tint lies in the beautiful middle ground between BB cream and foundation. Blurs imperfections, moisturizes skin, contains SPF 25, and provides just enough tint for sheer to medium coverage. And this is in the shade 08. That's what it looks like. Let's go ahead and check this out. It's a little bit dark. Pretty bright and shiny. Definitely hydrating. Not matte. Gives you that glow. Ooh, the more that I blend it in, the more that I think it looks good. It's actually kind of orangey. That'll be great for summer. See that? See the difference? That's really nice. I've never tried a BB cream. I do have one, but I haven't tried it yet. The last thing we've got in our Sephora box today is by Kiehls. Powerful Strength Line Reducing Concentrate. 12.5% vitamin C plus hyaluronic acid. Yes. I've been looking for stuff with hyaluronic acid, and I've got a few things here. This one is actually not on here, so this might just be an extra that... Oh, there it is. Kiehls Bright Away. A fan favorite anti-wrinkle treatment full of vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. This powerful serum with a new and improved formula is well loved for its ability to improve skin texture and tone while reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Its antioxidant-rich formula leaves skin moisturized, renewed, and radiant. Awesome. So I'm really looking forward to trying these. And I guess that's it for this little haul. I'll shoot another video and I'll be right back. So love you guys. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate your support. Don't forget to subscribe below. We'll see you in the next one.